All right, Snackmaster B here. Everybody's still self-isolating, washing their hands, staying safe. I know it's been tough for everybody, but one thing to remember, it's not forever, it's just for now. So a couple things. Everybody's cooking, making bread, doing different things. Well, we bought a bunch of tomatoes and it's one of the, you order them and then they come in and you can see they're a little on the wrinkly side. So that's okay. We don't want to waste them. We don't want to waste anything right now. So what I'm going to do is just show you really quickly how easy it is to make your own tomato sauce. And we start with these lovely tomatoes, and we don't want to waste anything. So the first thing you do is you just do a quick blanch in hot water, just like a minute, maybe tops, so you can peel the skins off. Because when you drop these bad boys in your food processor and you start making your sauce with it, the skins just add a bit of grittiness and a texture in your sauce that you don't really want. So that's what we'll do first. We'll get them de-skinned, and then we'll drop them in this bad boy. Just a quick blanch. We're in there about, about a minute and change so far. And we'll just take these out and I'll just show you how easy they are to peel. And then we'll drop them in the food processor, but making progress. So you check these out here. So you can't quite see it, but you can see I just pull on that and you can see it just wrinkling. That's because these tomatoes are ready to be peeled. So it's really easy. You just get a sharp knife, light score on it like that. And then from there, you can just grab the skin and then peel it all off. How beautiful is that? So I'll do that to all these luscious, beautiful, juicy tomatoes, and move on to the next step. Nom nom. Yeah, we got all our large tomatoes in there. They're all peeled, and you can see I got some smaller ones in there. I did have about 10 or so of these plum tomatoes, just a little bit past their life as an ingredient in a fresh salad or something like that. So we don't want those to go to waste either. So we'll drop these Did the same thing, peeled them off, and put these lovely morsels in there. The other thing that's kind of cool, don't want to waste anything nowadays. Probably shouldn't have before either, but we order these pre-packaged pizza crusts every now and then because they're just handy. Do a quick pizza, and they come with these sauce packs. I don't really like those sauce packs on my pizza, but I don't want them to go to waste either. So I have them from one of the other pizzas we had before. So I just take the pack and I'll just squeeze that in, that tomato sauce. It's kind of a little bit of a sweetness to it, and it's nothing that I like on my pizza. So make my own sauce, and from this will be really a base for a future pizza sauce anyway. So I drop that in, and then I don't waste these either. What else we got on the go? So we got some garlic here. I love garlic. And you could make your basic tomato sauce where you don't put really anything in it. You boil it down, it becomes thick and really good base, ready for pretty much what you want to do with it, either a chili, pizza, spaghetti, anything at all. But any of those things I'm making, this guy, Snackmaster, I'm adding garlic anyways. So why not throw it in now? Bam, yeah. So about a teaspoon of pepper, oregano, and basil, one each. Just a little bit of spice in there. And then some kosher salt. I try to go careful. A couple pinches up front, because you can always add salt later. It's a real son of a bitch to get salt out. Or impossible. So you don't want it too salty up front. You can always add it as the sauce is simmering down. So there you go. We got all of our ingredients in here. And we'll just get that all ground up. All right, there we go. It's all ground up. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful. Got our herbs in there, tomatoes, garlic. And think about that. That wasn't very many tomatoes, but look at how much sauce you can get out of that. And nowadays more than ever, you don't want to waste food, and probably should never waste food anyways. But so we'll just get this on a low simmer, a little bit higher heat for now. We'll get her up to a boil, then we'll reduce it to a simmer. You watch when we check back later. You can see the garlic in there and the basil, and it already tastes good. I guarantee it. But simmer it down. You'll see the redness. It'll get deeper and deeper and deeper and darker, and really makes an awesome base for anything that you want to make. All right, we've kind of reached a bit of a boil here, so it's a good time. You know, you want to just have a quick taste. Oh, really good. At this point, it'll taste very tomatoey. You know, the ingredients such as the basil, the pepper, the garlic haven't had a real chance to embed themselves in the juices of the tomato and the acid. And so at this point, it's just a quick taste to see, you know, are we on the right path? And we definitely are on the right path. Nom, nom. Nom, nom, nom. So anyways, we're just going to turn the heat down now, and then we got a rapid boil. Down pretty low, and then you just want to keep an eye on it. Swing by every now and then and say, hey, tomato sauce, how you doing? What's up? What's going on? Give it a bit of a stir and just keep an eye on it. And you'll notice as we progress, the redness will get deeper and deeper, and you'll have yourself an amazing base. All right, that looks fantastical. So you see, I left the lid off so it could reduce a little bit and thicken up, and it's done just that. This is my trusty wooden spoon that I make sauces with. I like the flat bottom on it, because then I can get right down to the bottom and scrape off the bottom as the sauces slowly thicken up. And you can see how nice and thick that got. Let's have a quick taste. Oh, sure smells good. Wish we had smell-o-vision. Oh, okay. Perfect. Perfect. I don't need to add anything. No salt. Nothing. And really, with this tomato sauce, they're tomatoes that were a little past their prime. We've got a great sauce here. You can use in a myriad of different things. The garlic, the basil that's in there, it's all married in really nicely with the acid and tomatoes. You could use this as a base for maybe add your chili. You can even just add cream to it and make tomato soup out of it, just right from the way it is. Use it for spaghetti sauces, add a few more different spices and make pizza sauce out of it. But this is perfect. You can't can tomatoes because of the acidity in them, and they just don't can. There's some special ingredients you can order so you can can tomatoes and tomato sauce. But this is best just containerized, drop it in the freezer. You feel like some amazing sauce. Grab it out, thaw it out, heat it up, nom nom. Just keep close to family, wash your hands, social distance. Hang in there. It's not forever, it's just for now.